Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show or hide your status, whether you are available at the ASKfm application or not. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And after that you should tap on this home button down below on the left side corner, and then click on this profile icon that you can find at the top on the left side. After that, click on settings on the right side of the screen in the middle and click on profile, which is the fourth option. Then at the bottom of this section you can find this show status feature. As you can see, it is enabled now, meaning that this green circle or button shows others that you are online. But if you would like to hide your status, all you have to do is tapping on this button, and then it will be displayed like this, so your status will be invisible to them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.